Dr. Ruby Payne, one of the things that people talk about is the fact that we don't want to spend any more money on poverty in our community. We are already spending enough and we don't have money. Well, that would be correct. Actually, communities spend a lot more on poverty than they realize. 70% of law enforcement has to do with people in poverty. The court system is almost totally, particularly the criminal court system, related to individuals in poverty. Many hospitals lose their total profit margin to individuals who use the emergency room as their primary care system, people from poverty. Many of the ambulance services, the fire services come out of high poverty neighborhoods. The disproportionate amount of money that goes to homelessness, etc., crime, risk prevention, risk management. And people don't understand that it can be reduced if there are a community approach that works. Poverty reduction as an economic development tool is incredibly valuable. And we've got all kinds of ROI about how we do that. We've done it with 140,000 adults across the United States and with many communities who are achieving incredible results. You would be very interested in this if you wish to see changes in your community.